Hey guys, so today we are gonna be playing BeeSwarm, so let's play. And today my mom is going to be playing with us, and that's it. I'm gonna clean my hive. So much cheese. And I am going to go somewhere to show you guys something. And there goes a bee. So let's go up here. Oh, let's go up here. Here's the slingshot. And I'm going to show you two things. That's cool. So you go up behind here, and there's a little maze. There's a little maze that you have to try to solve. And at the end, there is a prize, which I had to try to find the end. Okay, here's the end, and there's a sunflower seed. I don't know if you can really see it. And my mom is coming. So I'm gonna go show you guys. And I wanna get... Wait, where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're going through the maze. Here's my mom. And she left. Did you look in here? I know the way through the maze. You went the right way. Congratulations, you got a sunflower seed. And I heard you. And I'm going to show you something that is very hard to do. And I'm going to tell you a little secret, but I don't know why. So right here it says Black Bear's title, which the title is actually tunnel. I figured that out yesterday because I know it can't be title because it just doesn't make sense, but Black Bear Secret Tunnel does, and I'm going to show you. There's only two ways to do this. So you can go in through there and go straight down, or you can go in through here, which my mom's trying to get up the hard way. She's done it before. And you can also go down here, which is very scary for me. But I'm going in. Here's my mom. Wait, what? And Tunnel Bear comes. And he kills you in one hit. And he's level 8. Oh, look, I found the exit button. Finally. It's very big. And this music is very, I don't know how to explain it, but it's odd. I just realized Tunnel Bear doesn't have any eyes. Bees, fight Tunnel Bear, fight Tunnel Bear. I'm gonna die. That's how easy it is. Tunnel Bear hits you in one hit. And I'm happy that music's gone. But I'm gonna go and finish one of my quests, which I'm almost done with. It's the Polar Bear something quest. And I have to collect a little bit more from the pine tree, which my mom is there. So I'm gonna go there. Okay, this is gonna be very hard to get, but I gotta do it. He's level 6. the wolf. And he's very fast, as you can see. And he can go far. He can go all the way into other fields. And he kills you in 2 hits. Thank you for helping me. And I got a lot of honey. And I'm going to show you guys one more thing that I finally got to do. I see another guy. I'm going to wait for you. And my mom can go in here too. We can go into the red HQ. And do you want me to do the red field buzzer? Okay, I'm going to use it. It takes me 2 hours.
What?
It was the strawberry field.
Oh.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Strange. I'm actually going to see if it was. And I know a way. Oh, yeah, I finally got to do the blue cannon.
Mushroom.
Okay, mushroom. Oh, and yeah, I'll get to finish one of my quests. There. Now I get to finish one of my quest. And it gives you more pollen. So that's good, and it also gives you honey that I just found out. It gives you honey if you do it. Well, at least I get honey.
Yeah, that means I gotta do my own.
Yeah, you have to do your own in order to get that. Wait, I'm gonna go check something first. I'm gonna get the honey token. I'm gonna see something. Okay, this one, I thought this. Let me see. I thought this got that there, guys. Oh, and I found a way how to get in. But then I will never get out. Oh, treat. I can feed it. I have so much armor. I have a helmet, I have shoes, I have an armor for the left shoulder, and I have a belt. And this is my plane. Oh, wait, what was that? Well, that's going on. I'm going to do the parkour. Parkour. And up here, if you guys didn't know, there's a royal jelly that I got. And I got a trick on how to do the parkour. You have to go to the very edge and jump. Very edge, jump. Very edge, jump. And it's simple for me, but if you guys do it, you might get there. If you keep on trying, because that's what I did. I thought I saw you, but I didn't. I thought I saw me, Mom. Oh, I want to see something. Where are they going? Gotta follow them. Okay, so I know they're going somewhere over here. So I'm gonna follow that because they give you more honey. The bugs are in the spider field, to let you know. Oh my god, I got so much honey by defeating a spider. I got 1,000 and something. Let me get the honey, Mama. Dig them up for me and I'll get the honey.
I gotta make honey.
You know what I do to make it faster? I let the bees get their things. Oh, Mama, I found a vicious bee has spawned in the spider field. I did it. I made it happen. Oh, a moon crystal. A moon charm. I forgot how to say it. Someone's helping me. Now I have to go on a vicious bee and this. Something bad happened, and this was, well, something good happened, and this was what happened. Oh, another moon charm. I'm not alone fighting the vicious bee. No. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. And guys, I figured out this, that the vicious bee can get you from here. And that's very sad. Well, I'm not getting the pollen. Why am I? And if you die, you lose all your pollen. Weh. Okay, I lost all my pollen. And a sprout has sprouted. Bad. But also good because they left and they had to do the vicious bee. Wow, that. Where did the sprout? Oh my god, something's about to wear off. I think it already did. Yeah. Oh, honey. Yep, it weared off, almost. Yeah, it weared off.
Oh, it's in the cactus field.
It's in the cactus? There's a vicious bee with no one fighting it. You heard? There's a vicious bee with no one fighting it but me. Well, not me. But, okay, now someone's doing it. Oh, it's just a regular sprout. I thought it would be, a rare sprout, but it's not. Oh, honey. Oh. I want to see something. Oh, star token. I'm going to do something for fun and see if it works. Nope. Okay, good thing I'm close. I found a royal jelly, but I think it's impossible to get, but I'm going to try.
That's off the tree.
Oh yeah, I'm going to get it. Oh no, it's not impossible because there's, Mama, I'm going to get it because it's actually easy. I'm going to get it. I thought I was stuck in the tree. Oh, wait. Get up. Get up. No. Keep on falling. I keep on falling. Almost there. It's just so hard. Oh my god, I went the wrong way. Yes, finally, I made it somewhere. Oh, I was so close. Okay, that is not impossible, but it's very hard. And I am stuck in the tree. So guys, I'm gonna have to reset because I'm stuck. Go into the sprout. For a second I thought there was 2 sprouts, but that was just the sun. The vicious bee is still here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I got so much honey, but just by standing there. And the vicious bee has been defeated. Don't want to fall, so I'm going to go here. Okay. Making sure. Let me get some. Let me get some. Wood treat. And this. And this and this. Ooh, I almost got a royal jelly. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, click that subscribe button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.